guys, and welcome from Azuga on a new point of view driving episode. Usually here is where the traffic comes to a stop, which happens right now, but hopefully only for a short moment. And if we will drive like this, it will be a really short drive. Here it is, the end of the mountain resort. Although there's not much to be seen there. And up next is one of the most beautiful bush tank. Thank you so much for watching. I wish you all the best, and I will catch you when I will reach bush tank. But until then, I will leave you with the road further on, because it is still beautiful.